Third standard science term 2 lesson 2 water. Roman letter 9. Answer in one or two sentences. Write any three different sources of water. The different sources of water are rain, well, river, lake, stream, etc. Second question. Write the symptoms of dengue. Severe headache, rashes on the arms and the legs, extreme tiredness, sudden onset of fever that lasts 3 to 7 days. Third question. Write any two diseases that is spread by mosquitoes. Malaria, dengue. Why should we boil water? We should boil the water to kill the germs in it. Fifth question. Why should we save water? Water is precious. Only 3% of the water in the entire earth is fresh water. We never waste water. We should save water. Roman letter 10. Answer the following. First question. Why is water known as primary source of life? Water is one of the most important resources on earth. All living things like small organisms, plants and animals need water to survive. People use water for various purposes. So, water is a primary source of life. Second question. Suggest some ways to save water at home. Never allow water to overflow from buckets. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and not under running tap water. Always close the taps while brushing the teeth. Use leftover water in your water bottle to water a potted plant. Turn off the tap after each use. Use a sprinkler to water the garden. Third question. List out the ways to conserve water bodies. Deepening of ponds and lakes. Plant trees at the bank of the lake and pond. Reduce water pollution. Avoid digging too many wells in a region. Fourth question. What is potable water? How it should be? Drinking water is known as potable water. Potable water is water that is good to drink and useful for food preparation. Potable water should be free from dangerous chemicals, odorless and colorless, transparent, free from bacteria which cause diseases. Fifth question. How people stored water in olden days? In olden days, people store water in different ways. Few methods are well, water tanks in forts, draw well, reservoirs, rivers and bunds, tanks, dams and borewells. Next question. What are the problems caused due to stagnation of water? Stagnant water can become a breeding ground for the mosquitoes that transmit diseases. Malaria and dengue are the main dangers of stagnant water. Waterborne diseases such as cholera, dysentery, typhoid are caused by drinking unclean water. Roman letter 11. Think and answer. How will you avoid wastage of water in your school? To avoid wastage in school, install aerators and water efficient plumbing fixtures. Detect and repair leaks at school so that wastage of water will get reduced. If not using the tap, turn it off. Use a refillable water bottle. Install rainwater tanks. Educate the students to pour leftover water into the garden. Talk to others about how to save water. Second question. Write some slogans to save water. Save water, save earth. Save water, save life. Every drop of water counts. Drink pure water, stay healthy. Water is life, so don't hit your life. Third question. Why wild animals are entering into human habitat? Wild animals are entering into human habitat in search of food and water. Roman letter 12. Draw the following: well, pond, and water tank. Thank you, students.